welcome back to the Ramcast. I am here with my co-hosts.
I'm Corey. I was gone for a week because me and James traveled back in time to November 22nd, 1963, Dallas, Texas, and we saved the president. At what cost? I can't walk anymore and I'm now colorblind. Callie, on to you.
Well, I'm Callie.
Tell us about yourself.
I like cats.
Moving on.
Today we have a lot of announcements and a special interview with our beloved Mr. Mays talking on Black History Month and the panel that happened on February 28th here on the MVTHS campus in the Schweinfurt Theater. Let's get on to our announcements.
Attention students, this is the final week to turn in bright neon green caps that you find on bottled water, Dr. Pepper, and other Pepsi products. Our school could win up to $5,000 for turning in the most caps. Drop off the caps at the main office to get pride points.
Just a reminder, hats and head coverings are not to be worn in school. Dang it! I wanted to wear my Call of Duty hat. Also, AirPods, headphones, and earphones are not to be worn unless they are plugged into a student's Chromebook. Like, I listen to this music in the hallways. They'll never find out.
The midterm is March 8th, only a week away, and we still have spring forward moving clocks ahead 1 hour on March 10th.
Attention senior students, please apply for Ren Lake College scholarships by Friday. Please go to rlc.edu to go to Foundation Scholarships so you can have help paying for your education.
Join Illinois' 2025 staff for next year and take part in creating our historic 100th volume since 1905. Positions are open in multiple places. See Dr. Van Zandet or any current Illinois staff member for more information and to sign up. And be sure to see your guidance counselor today to get enrolled in the yearbook class for next year.
As we all know, the month of February is also Black History Month. To celebrate this, we have a special interview with our very special and beloved Mr. Rolland Mays. Here's Savannah with that interview.
Thank you so much for handing it over to me. Hi, I'm Savannah White, and today I'm here with Rolland Mays, and we're here to talk about the Black History Month panel and just Black History Month in general, since MVTHS is going above and beyond this year.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you for having me, Savannah.
Thank you so much for being here. It's awesome to have the famous Rolland Mays here to interview.
I feel honored. Thank you.
So you've had a really long career here in music education and just being here at MVTHS. So why did you choose this career?
My orchestra director when I was in high school, and I am an alumni of Mount Vernon Township High School, Tal Smith, took an interest in me and saw that I did have a talent. Didn't have that much money to afford going to music camps during the summer and everything, so he would find the funds for me to go my junior and my senior year to SIU Carbondale. Well, first of all, you have to know where you've been to go to where you want to be. And that's what the panel, some of these are going to be some life experiences, not projecting any fault of anybody, but this is what Rolland Mays has experienced as being a lifetime resident of Mount Vernon, Illinois. Michelle Williams as a lifetime person from Atlanta, Georgia area. And the other ones coming from their prospective places. Robert Brown, who was a counselor here, he has some stories to also tell. That there had been so many contributions that were given to the world, first of all, not just these United States of America. Charles Drew, blood plasma. Just for instance, Catherine Fisher with Nassau, just to name a few that are worldwide.
Thank you, Savannah. The chess team will be meeting on Wednesdays from 3:15 to 5:15 p.m. through May 1st.
Congratulations to Mount Vernon FFA Bowling Team, which placed first in Section 21 FFA Bowling Tournament on Saturday. Team members included Trevin Elliott, Tyler Curry, Brody Elliott, Corbin Breeze, and Autumn Bain. Congratulations to Trevin Elliott, who bowled a 300 perfect game, and Brody Elliott, who won the high series.
That's a lot.
Congratulations. Kelly, that was very rude of you not to clap.
Attention all students. Attendance incentive program. Perfect attendance for the year receive an MVTHS yearbook. Perfect attendance for the second semester receive a $25 gift card. To our fewer days absence first and second semester receive a perfect attendance t-shirt.
Ordering information for Justin's class rings, leather jackets, or senior items is available in the main office.
By the time you are probably seeing this, it'll be March, which is Women's History Month. Make sure to tell that special woman in your life that you appreciate them.
I don't appreciate you.
I'm now receiving word that our time-traveling reporter is back. Take it away. Here's James and Norman Tolley.
What are you talking about, Dallas? I didn't go to Dallas. He stole the time machine. President who? We're live. Thank you, and it's good to be back. Sorry to my fans about my long absence. I had some things to deal with in this century. But no worries, I'm back and better than ever. Today, I'm in Manchester County, New Jersey on May 6, 1937, a day that will live on in infamy. Right now, the airship Hindenburg, named after Field Marshal Paul von Hindenburg, who was president of Germany from 1925 until his death in 1934, is coming to dock. The airship itself is a German commercial passenger carrying rigid airship. The lead ship of the Hindenburg class, the longest class of flying machine and the largest airship by envelope volume. It was designed and built by the Zeppelin Company and was operated by the German Zeppelin Airline Company, which would close a couple years later. The accident caused 35 fatalities, 13 passengers and 22 crewmen, from the 97 people on board, 36 passengers and 61 crewmen. An additional fatality on the ground. A variety of theories have been put forward for both the cause of ignition and the initial fuel for the ensuing fire. But the most widely accepted is that when it was docking with its mooring mast at Naval Air Station Lakehurst, it caught fire. The publicity shattered public confidence in the giant passenger-carrying rigid airship and marked the abrupt end of the airship era. Guys, get the footage. Get the footage! Okay, back to the studio. I'm getting out here.
Thank you guys for watching this lovely episode of the Ramcast. If you enjoy what you see, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below your favorite parts. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next Ramcast. Bye-bye.